English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is every traveler's nightmare.
Yes, today we're talking about lost luggage.
Arriving at your destination and your bags aren't there.
It's stressful, frustrating, and unfortunately, it happens.
But knowing what to say can make it much easier.
Questions like,
Where do I report lost luggage?
what information do you need?
When will my bag arrive?
What compensation am I entitled to?
After today, you'll know exactly what to do if your luggage is lost.
Let's start with the first step.
Go to the baggage claim office.
Don't leave the airport without reporting it.
Look for signs that say baggage services or lost luggage.
When you get to the counter, you can say,
My luggage didn't arrive.
I'm missing one suitcase.
My bag didn't come off the carousel.
Repeat, my luggage didn't arrive. I'm missing one suitcase. My bag didn't come off the carousel.
The agent will ask for information.
Can I see your baggage claim tag?
What flight were you on?
Can you describe your bag?
Where are you staying?
Repeat, can I see your baggage claim tag? What flight were you on? Can you describe your bag? Where are you staying?
Let's practice the first conversation at the baggage office.
Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive. I need to report it.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your baggage claim tag?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And can you describe your suitcase?
It's a large black hardshell suitcase with a red ribbon on the handle.
Okay, and where are you staying?
At the Grand Hotel downtown.
We'll do our best to find it and deliver it to your hotel.
Good start.
Now let's talk about describing your luggage.
You need to give a clear description.
It's a large black suitcase.
It's medium-sized, blue, with wheels.
It's a red duffel bag.
It's a hardshell case, silver.
It has a distinctive sticker on the side.
Repeat, it's a large black suitcase. It's medium-sized, blue, with wheels. It's a red duffel bag. It's a hardshell case, silver. It has a distinctive sticker on the side.
Be specific about identifying features.
Brand, color, size, material, hard or soft, wheels, handle, locks, zippers, straps, tags, ribbons, stickers, scratches or damage.
Repeat. Brand, color, size, material, wheels, tags, ribbons, stickers.
Let's practice describing luggage.
Daniel, how would you describe your suitcase?
It's a medium-sized black hardshell Samsonite with silver zippers. It has a leather tag on the handle.
Perfect description. They'll definitely find it.
The more details, the better.
Now, let's talk about what's inside your luggage.
The agent might ask what's inside.
What was in your bag?
This helps confirm it's yours.
You can say clothes, shoes, and toiletries.
Some electronics, my laptop and tablet.
Gifts for my family.
Important documents.
Medication. This is important to mention.
Repeat, clothes, shoes, and toiletries. Some electronics, my laptop and tablet. Gifts for my family. Important documents. Medication.
If you have medication, mention it immediately.
I have medication in my bag that I need.
The airline will prioritize finding it.
Let's practice describing contents. Can you tell me what was in your bag?
Mostly clothes, jeans, shirts, and jackets. Also my toiletries and a pair of shoes.
Anything valuable?
My camera and some jewelry. Oh, and my prescription glasses.
Good to mention valuables.
Now, let's talk about getting a reference number.
The agent will give you a file reference number.
Here's your file number.
You'll need this for any follow-up.
Keep this number safe.
You can check the status online with this number.
Repeat. Here's your file number. You'll need this for any follow-up. Keep this number safe. You can check the status online with this number.
You can ask,
How do I check the status?
is there a website or phone number?
When should I follow up?
Repeat, how do I check the status? Is there a website or phone number? When should I follow up?
Let's practice getting the reference number.
Here's your file number. You can check online or call this number.
Thank you. When should I check?
Try tomorrow morning. Sometimes bags arrive on the next flight.
Okay, I will. Thank you for your help.
Always keep that number safe.
Now let's talk about what the airline will provide.
If your luggage is delayed, the airline may provide essentials.
Can I get an essentials kit?
Do you provide any compensation for delayed luggage?
I need to buy some toiletries and a change of clothes.
Is there a policy for reimbursement?
Repeat. Can I get an essentials kit? Do you provide any compensation for delayed luggage? I need to buy some toiletries and a change of clothes. Is there a policy for reimbursement?
The agent might say,
We can provide a hygiene kit with basic toiletries. You can purchase essential items and submit receipts for reimbursement. Keep your receipts. We'll reimburse you up to a certain amount.
The limit is $100 for essentials.
We can provide a hygiene kit with basic toiletries.
You can purchase essential items and submit receipts for reimbursement.
Keep your receipts. We'll reimburse you up to a certain amount.
The limit is $100 for essentials.
Let's practice asking for essentials.
My bag is lost and I have nothing for tonight. Can you help?
Of course. Here's a hygiene kit with a toothbrush and toothpaste. You can also buy a change of clothes and submit the receipt.
Thank you. What's the limit?
Up to $100. Just keep all your receipts.
Good to know.
Now let's talk about following up.
If your bag doesn't arrive the next day, follow up.
Hello, I'm calling to check on my lost luggage.
My file number is XYZ123.
Has there been any update?
When can I expect my bag?
Is there any new information?
Repeat. Hello, I'm calling to check on my lost luggage. My file number is XYZ123. Has there been any update? When can I expect my bag? Is there any new information?
The agent might say,
Your bag has been located and will be delivered tomorrow.
We're still searching. Please check again in 24 hours.
Your bag is on its way to your hotel.
We're very sorry for the delay.
Repeat. Your bag has been located and will be delivered tomorrow. We're still searching. Please check again in 24 hours. Your bag is on its way to your hotel. We're very sorry for the delay.
Let's practice following up.
Hi, I'm calling about my lost luggage. My file number is 456ABC.
Let me check. Good news. Your bag arrived this morning and is being delivered to your hotel.
Oh, thank goodness. When will it arrive?
Sometime this afternoon. You can call the hotel to confirm.
Great news.
Now, let's talk about baggage delivery.
When your bag is found, they'll deliver it.
Where will you deliver the bag?
What time can I expect delivery?
Do I need to be there to receive it?
Will someone call before coming?
Repeat. Where will you deliver the bag? What time can I expect delivery? Do I need to be there to receive it? Will someone call before coming? The agent might say,
We'll deliver it to your hotel. Delivery will be between 2 and 5 p.m.
The front desk can accept it if you're not there.
The driver will call you 30 minutes before arrival.
Repeat. We'll deliver it to your hotel. Delivery will be between 2 and 5 p.m. The front desk can accept it if you're not there. The driver will call you 30 minutes before arrival. Let's practice delivery arrangements.
My bag is being delivered to my hotel. Do I need to be there?
No, the front desk can accept it. Just make sure they know your name and room number.
Perfect. Thank you.
Easy. Now let's talk about when luggage is permanently lost.
Sometimes, unfortunately, luggage is never found.
After a certain time, usually 21 days, it's considered lost.
You'll need to file a claim for a compensation.
What's the process for filing a claim?
How much compensation will I receive?
What documentation do I need?
How long does the process take?
Repeat. What's the process for filing a claim? How much compensation will I receive? What documentation do I need? How long does the process take?
The airline will explain.
You'll need to fill out this form.
Please provide a list of the contents and their value.
Compensation is based on international regulations.
You can expect to hear from us within 30 days.
Repeat. You'll need to fill out this form. Please provide a list of the contents and their value. Compensation is based on international regulations. You can expect to hear from us within 30 days. Let's practice a claim situation.
It's been 3 weeks and my bag hasn't been found. What do I do now?
I'm very sorry. At this point, we consider it permanently lost. You'll need to file a claim.
What do I need to do?
Fill out this form and list everything that was in your bag with estimated values. It's a difficult process, but necessary. Now let's learn some important lost luggage vocabulary.
Luggage, package, suitcase, bag, carry-on, checked bag, lost, missing, delayed, damaged, permanently lost, baggage claim, carousel, baggage claim tag, receipt, stub, reference number, file number, tracking number, report, claim, compensation, reimbursement, essentials, toiletries, hygiene kit, receipts, contents, valuables, medication, prescription, electronics, laptop, tablet, camera, jewelry, clothing, shoes, description, brand, color, size, material, hard shell, soft-sided, wheels, handle, zipper, lock, tag, ribbon, sticker, distinctive, identification, delivery, hotel delivery, front desk, signature, airline, agent, customer service, baggage service office, lost and found, claim form, regulations, policy, limit, deadline, follow-up, update, status.
Repeat. Luggage, suitcase, lost, delayed, baggage claim tag, reference number, claim, compensation, reimbursement, essentials, toiletries, receipts, contents, valuables, medication, description, color, size, delivery, hotel delivery, airline, baggage service office, claim form, follow-up, status.
Great vocabulary.
These words will help you if you ever lose your luggage. Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I lost my luggage.
This is correct, but remember, luggage is uncountable.
I lost my luggages is wrong.
Mistake number 2. My bag is loose.
Lose is a verb. Lost is the adjective.
Correct. My bag is lost.
Mistake number 3. Where I report lost luggage.
Missing words.
Correct. Where do I report lost luggage?
Mistake number 4. I have many important things in my bag.
Plural needed.
Correct. I have many important things in my bag.
Let's practice. My luggage is lost. Where do I report lost luggage? Here is my baggage claim tag. I have important things in my bag, including medication.
Perfect. Now here are some idioms about loss and finding things.
To lose track of something.
This means to not know where something is or to forget about it.
Example, I lost track of time and missed my flight.
To turn up.
This means to appear or be found.
Example, don't worry, your bag will turn up eventually.
To be up in the air.
This means uncertain or not decided.
Example, my luggage situation is still up in the air.
To be in the same boat.
This means to be in the same situation.
Example, half the flight is missing luggage. We're all in the same boat.
A blessing in disguise.
This means something that seems bad but turns out good.
Example, losing my luggage was a blessing in disguise. I bought new clothes I love.
Repeat. Lose track of. Turn up in the air, in the same boat, a blessing in disguise.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned to go to the baggage claim office.
Report it immediately.
We learned how to describe our luggage.
Color, size, brand, special features.
We learned to describe the contents.
Especially important items like medication.
We learned about getting a reference number.
Keep it safe for follow-up.
We learned about asking for essentials.
Hygiene kits, reimbursement for necessities.
We learned about following up.
Call or check online with your file number.
We learned about baggage delivery.
Hotel delivery, timing, signatures.
We learned about filing a claim for permanently lost luggage.
Forms, documentation, compensation.
We learned important vocabulary.
And we fixed common mistakes.
That's everything you need for dealing with lost luggage.
Here's your challenge for today.
Imagine your luggage is lost.
Practice describing your bag and its contents. My suitcase is large and black with a red ribbon. Inside, I have clothes, my camera, and important medication.
Perfect.
Practice saying it out loud.
Now, go to the comments.
Tell us about a lost luggage experience, yours or someone you know.
What happened? Was it found?
For example, my bag was lost for 3 days on a trip to Italy. It finally arrived at my hotel.
That must have been stressful.
Or, my friend's luggage was permanently lost. The airline compensated her, but it was a hassle.
That's always a risk.
Share your stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.